Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a wireless CarPlay video using this USB stick from Binize. So for the ones that has been following the channel knows that I did do another video on wireless CarPlay and Android Auto using this USB stick. It did work as intended and connected successfully to the CarPlay. The issue with this one was that the connection wasn't the best. It did crash several times while driving and would lose connection with the phone, which would then disconnect the CarPlay in the car. Now this was the cheapest one I found on AliExpress, so I guess I could forgive it for its crashes because it was kind of cheap. So now I got a new one that I wanted to try out, and it does have a cool feature that I will show later on in the video. So here's the packaging of the product. I have been using it for the past couple of weeks and it has been working great so far. And here's the actual product. As you can see, it is quite slim compared to the other one that I was using before. Here's a comparison of both. Here you can see another comparison between the two. So this new one is more slim, which I like since it doesn't take as much space as this one did inside of the glove box. And as I said before, this one does have a special feature compared to the old one. So this one does have this button over here. And what this button will do is so that it will allow for easy switching between the phones that's going to be connected to the car. So if we plug this device into the car and connect two phones, then we could easily switch between the phones that's going to be connected to the car by pressing this button over here. So I'll now showcase the wireless CarPlay and the feature that allows two phones to connect and switch between. So we'll start by connecting it to the car through the USB port. And now on the screen, I did get some instructions on how to connect to the wireless CarPlay device. So I'll follow those to connect. Alright, so we are now connected to the CarPlay wirelessly. As you can see, no cable, just the wireless CarPlay device that's connected. And everything works as it should. And as I said before, I have been using this for a couple of weeks and it has been working really great. Better than the old one that I was using. The only issue that I have is that when changing the music, it does take a split second for the next song to start, which I really don't like. I do like to press the next button and the next song should start right away, but it doesn't do in this case. I did have the same issue with this one, the old one that I was using. So I do think that's just how they are programmed. There's nothing to do about it really. That's just how they all work. Alright, so as I mentioned before, this one does have a special feature which allows for easy switching between phones with a press of a button. So I'll demonstrate that right now. right? And so as you just saw, the connection switches between the two phones, and you can easily swap between the phones, which is very convenient if you're driving with your kids or your friends and you want to swap between the phones. And it does also auto connect to your phone every time you get inside of the car. So every time you get inside of the car, your phone will automatically connect to the CarPlay or Android Auto if you have an Android phone. And I find it much more convenient to use than having to connect to your phone through USB every time you want to connect to the CarPlay. So that will be it for this video. And if you're interested in full screen CarPlay, I do also have a video on that on the channel. So make sure to check that out if you're interested in that instead. And if you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.